Welcome back to AKA Science. I'm Max, and this is Earth Rocks. We're up to Class 3, Paleontology. Let's jump right in with fun with fossils. Begin by passing out one index card and a ball of Play-Doh to each student. Have them roll their ball together and press it into a thick pancake shape. Now pass out the clamshells and have them make an imprint of the shell into the Play-Doh. Let them experiment with different ways it could make the impression until they get a clear one. Now mix the plaster of Paris with 8 ounces of water and stir it together with the plastic butter knife until it's about as thick as cookie dough. Use the tip of the knife to smush some of the plaster into the impression left by the seashell and wipe off any excess. The plaster needs about 10 minutes to dry, so have them write their names on the index card and set it aside while you do the next activity. After 10 minutes, you should have no problem popping the plaster cast of the fossil out of the Play-Doh. Have the students compare their plaster shell with the original shell and invite them to take both home. Now, let's get back to that second activity, the fossil sift. Pass out 2 paper plates and the fossil bag. Empty the bag onto one of the plates and set aside any of the large items you notice immediately. Then, handful by handful, run the rest of the sand through the sifter until you're confident everything in the bag has been found. Have the students share their discoveries, go back to remove the plaster from your previous activity, and we can move on to Can You Dig It? Take the now empty paper plate from the fossil sift, as well as the weird lump your students found, and pass out the metal paintbrushes. Have your students carefully scrape and brush the lump until they find the fossils hidden inside. Pass out some little cups of water in a pipette and let them put a few drops of water on their fossil lump. This should loosen it up a little bit more and make excavating a little easier. Once the fossils are out and clean, compare them with the fossil ID sheet, then clean up, debrief, and meet me in Class 4.